So, it is annoying you that Davinci Resolve doesn't have a direct multi-upload to YouTube feature. Let's walk through this workaround to simplify your workflow. After you've finished editing your videos, head to the Deliver page in Davinci Resolve. Pick one of the YouTube presets to streamline the process. Next, tweak any render settings you want and then click Add to Render Queue for each project you want to publish on YouTube. Now, you'll see all your video projects waiting in the render queue. Double-check everything looks good before proceeding. Next, initiate the rendering process by selecting Start Render. Let Resolve do its thing to generate individual video files. Once rendering is done, locate all the individual video files. These are now ready to be pushed into YouTube. Now, navigate to YouTube Studio, tap that Create button, and then pick Upload Video. Here's the time saver. You can drag and drop multiple files at once into the upload area on YouTube. YouTube will upload all the videos simultaneously, but you'll need to fill in the details for each one separately. Add your titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails. To wrap it all up, configure visibility, add end screens, cards, and then hit Publish for each video. It's faster than one at a time and you did it all from Resolve.